EverBank High Savings Account. Imagine banking that doesn't just keep up with your financial goals but actually propels them forward with EverBank's just innovative approach. You are not just saving, you are growing. Discover how EverBank is redefining what it means to truly invest in your future. So hi guys and welcome. In this video I will talk about EverBank high savings account. So first of all, all I have to do is open my browser and dive into everbank.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information about EverBank. But before, let's know what is EverBank. EverBank is a financial institution that combines the stability of traditional banking with innovative financial solutions designed to empower individuals and businesses alike, with a commitment to providing competitive rates, cutting-edge technology, and personalized customer service. EverBank aims to redefine the banking experiences. Whether you are looking to manage your savings more effectively, invest for the future, or secure financing, EverBank offers a range of products tailored to meet your needs. Their mission is to help you not only achieve your financial goals but exceed them all while maintaining a strong foundation of trust and reliability. So the first thing here we have in the homepage, it's 5% APY gives your savings an advantage, boasting a competitive high yield and no monthly maintenance fee. Our EverBank Performance Savings account makes your hard-earned money work harder for you. Then we have your business banking beyond the basic. Then we have specialized financing solutions. Then if we scroll down, we have also other information like Ever Protected with FDC insurance. You can be sure that your hard-earned money is secure and safe at EverBank. Your deposits are automatically insured by the FDC up to the legal limit. Then we have here EverPerformance. You deserve to get the most out of your money, so we deliver solutions that succeed from competitive interest rates to our performance accounts built to fit your individual needs. Then we have your EverBank Performance Savings. Take your saving to the next level with our high yield account, boosting no monthly account fee, no minimum balance requirements, and easy mobile and online access. Then we have here, it's time you bank or more, get more out of your money, and how you bank with the accounts, services, and rates that separate us from banking as usual. Then we have your strong security, risk assured that your information, accounts, and money are safe with our range of trusted security measures. Then we have free cash access with our checking and money market accounts. Fully access your cash at over than 80,000 no free items across the country. Then we have mobile check deposits. Why go out of your way to deposit a check? Use our mobile app to send it to us securely and a snap. Then we have here other things. So if we scroll down, we have also here about us. Learn about our rich history, dynamic growth, diverse services, and involving commitment to financial success. And we have information to keep it in mind, so you can just read it to more understand. And then if we scroll down, we have also here discover resources. About discovery, we have about us here, awards and recognition, newsroom, security center, search, cars. Then about resources, we have Ultimate Finder, branch locations, form and applications, accessibility, my money program also. And if we come back to the top here, we have other things like personal here. And before we have here, if you want to open your account for the first time, then if you want to find your account, all you have to do is click over login, and here we have of how much people is in this EverBank. And here we have research. So and then we have your personal also. You have other options here and other information. You can just click over the one you want and then you start with it. We have here banking, today's rates, support. We have here the first one, high yield accounts, performance savings, performance money market, performance checking, and then we have CD accounts, performance CD. Then we have here diversified investing overview, precious metals for a currencies, market safe. Then we have online and mobile, online tools and services, mobile banking, send money with solely awards and recognition, And then we have about business, we have business home, today's great support. Then we have your account, services, and online and mobile. Then we have about account checking overview, money market, high yield cities, business CDR cities, and we have currency access accounts. About services, we have treasury services, merchant services, foreign exchange. Then we have your online and mobile, business online banking, mobile banking, and then we have commercial here. So about commercial overview, we have here where her we are here to help build up your business so you can create more value, impact, and potential. You can rely on our dedicated specialists, highly responsive service, and fast expertise to propel your business forward. Then we have here also commercial home, client service, we have your B2B solutions, fund financing, multifamily lending, specialty and lender financing, and we have the last one. It's about EverBank. We know the hard work you put in to get where you are, and we want you to know without funding, you an earned advantage is what drives us. We are committed to delivering consistently high yields, dedicated service. Then we have here about home here, careers, search careers, news and media. We have newsroom, awards and recognition. Then we have leadership and security center. So EverBank distinguishes itself by offering a comprehensive suite of financial products that cater to both individuals and businesses, providing competitive interest rates that maximize returns on savings, CDs, and investment accounts. Their innovative approach to banking is reflected in a variety of specialist financial products, including high yields savings account and customizable investment options tailored to meet the unique goals of each customer, leveraging cutting-edge technology. EverBank's online platform and mobile app make it incredibly easy to manage your finances on the go with intuitive interfaces and real-time access to our account. Moreover, we have EverBank places a strong emphasis on personalized customer service, ensuring that every client receives expert advice and solutions that are aligned with their specific financial objective. This commitment to personalization extends to their flexible banking solutions, which can be customized to fit the needs of individuals seeking simple checking accounts or business requiring complex financial services. Then we have security is a top priority at EverBank with advanced measures in place to protect your financial information and assets. Their global reach coupled with deep local market knowledge allows EverBank to offer insights and opportunities that are both expensive and relevant to clients in various regions. EverBank's dedication to growth is evident in their strategic planning resources, educational tools, and investment opportunities designed to help customers not only meet but exceed their financial goals, ensuring a secure and prosperous future. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.